It's time for today's challenge. You guys will be competing in a classic egg and spoon race.
Boring.
As I was saying, to make
Trying really hard to make this sound interesting.
You are so stupid.
Knock it off. Quit it! Can you ever play fair?
There are no rules, princess.
Ah! Stop it, you! I can't get my hair wet!
Wow, you are so dramatic. But I think I know someone who has you beat. Whoops, silly me.
What a jester you are, Plasma Ball.
Huh? Silver didn't mention any forks in the road.
Best head east. Dry land will be the quickest to traverse. Onward, my squire!
Dude, we're doing a challenge.
Yeah, I'll get to it.
Dude, it's auto-elimination, which is your fault, by the way. Just get moving soon.
Look at us! 2 leaders on a quest.
Leader? I thought I was your squire.
Well, I'm a leader for obvious reasons. But you were practically the leader on Team H.
What?
You were pretty much the only one helping keep our team together.
What about Caramel Cube?
Caramel Cube was excellent as well. Don't get me wrong, I wasn't trying to—
No, you're fine. It's just the voting and my stupid temper and just, if I had voted with her, then I think maybe—
At ease! You don't have to explain yourself. What's past has passed, and all we can do is get our victory. In her honor.
Yeah, let's slay a dragon while we're at it.
A dragon? Where?
You're such a dork. Oh,
Whoa! Careful there!
whoa! Thanks. Did Bronze set these up?
Thank you. Cut it out!
Careful, fair maiden. You need to have a keen eye for some of these traps.
Oh gosh, I almost didn't see that one. Good thing I have a keen eye.
That's why you never have a pirate lead the way. Haha.
It's them!
Ukulele? What on earth are you doing?
Ah! No!
A setback indeed, but we must keep our wits about us. Our best chance is to go back and try another path. Make haste!
You can't win this. I won't let you. Not after what happened to Post-it Note.
That's what this is about?
Is it that hard to understand? I'm just looking out for my friends.
Don't give me that excuse. You can't do anything on your own. You voted out your closest friend just like that. So now you have to work with Treasure Boy. You're nothing more than a follower.
Get lost!
Oh, and Chainsaw is safe too.
Wow.
I don't want to hear it.
Only 3 spots left. Plasma Ball and Night Helmet are getting close.
What the? You're the one who's a loser, you loser!
Plasma Ball, calm down.
No. It's too far to get another egg. It's over. I can't believe it. I let my stupid emotions ruin this whole stupid thing for me. Night Helmet, what are you doing? Hey, put me down, let go of me.
Last one safe.
What?
Which means Night Helmet is eliminated.
Night Helmet, what did you do?
Like I said, a knight must always help those in need. I could have just let you get out after everything you've done.
But I can't lose you too. Caramel Cube is already gone because of me, and I can't be the reason you're gone too. I can't lose you because of my stupid temper. I just can't.
You're stronger than you realize, Plasma Ball.
But you're the only friend I have left. I'm gonna be alone.
When you're in trouble, just remember that you can overcome it.
Okay, Night Helmet, it's time to go. I'll take you to the Dark Pit of Despair.
Thank you for everything. Make sure the tale of Team H continues. I bid thee farewell.